Good afternoon everyone, and this is my video blog for week 10. And for our edition this week, we really had a great time doing our assigned task. Our lean canvas and validation board pitching is on Tuesday, and we decided to divide each. Thus, me is assigned for established designer validation board, and it was a very challenging part where you must give your best to pursue your business venture. And indeed, I'm very happy because I felt the essence of teamwork and courage among us. And on the other hand, some revisions in lean canvas and validation board were made, and also I'm quite worried because some of our members didn't have a complete set of video and written blogs, but I remind my subordinates to settle their part. But if it is late, I assure that we will have a decrease of grade. And also, for the next updates, we will uh, we will we will do some plans to tackle about for our web-based app. So our CPEs members will greatly had a great impact on this project. So that's all.